it's me again. I thought I'd show you something. Actually, I got something to weigh here. Move closer. Yeah, not wearing a fat Nancy sweater. I don't need one. Anyway, I after breaking the camera holder, well, camera phone holder, I bought one of these things. It's a ULANZI holder. It's pretty cool. It's made out of, push this, you can open it, close it, it locks. It's got a little thing where you can adjust the end here with a screw. You can just, has a little spring. It's aluminum. The whole thing is anodized aluminum. Anyway, my phone just went off middle of the video. While I was showing my wife that, oh look, see if you, it's pretty cool, even though I have a small. If I put my phone in here, it doesn't fit. The phone that does fit is the one that you're looking at the camera here. But while I was showing her it doesn't fit, I managed to completely trash my entire screen and drop it on the ground. Yay! So while I bought the world's strongest, probably the best, frickin' most coolest thing on Amazon, probably one of the best cell phone little holders for making videos using a phone, I go and break my screen. So yeah, they are $39 on Amazon. Probably one of the best things I will ever spend on a little gadget. So yeah, definitely buy a, what's it called? It's called a ULANZI Iron Man 3 ST-14. Look it up. It's pretty cool. It's got a big knob here, up and down. Hold on, someone's calling me. Oh, thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.